Hey, it's Jeffrey with FlexArm. Just want to talk about our Ergonomic Problem Solving Series this week. We want to walk you through our shop this week and show you everywhere that we have an ergonomic solution, whether it be tapping, whether it be part manipulation. We've got it all here, and I want to show it to you right now. So come on, follow me here. You know, even be able to start it right here at the robot, right at our lathe. We're actually tending our lathe right now and doing it, we're doing it without a person, you know, constantly watching it all day long. Parts are getting ran in, out, put in the dunnage. It's good to go. We got Fred over here with this one. He's doing this machine and this machine at the same time. Man, just give us a call. We can help you solve that problem. Come on this way. So if you look around, we're right in the heart of our machining center. So you take a look at what we do every day in here. You know, we're running parts all day, every day. But yet, we're not running our taps inside the machine all the time. We're taking them offline. We're putting them in one of our A32s, our RR20s, running it, keeping the perpendicularity. While the machine's running, we're also running taps right outside of the machine. You know, we can solve that problem for you too. Come on this way. Right outside of our other lathe, we've got another pneumatic arm set up for you, just the same. So that way they can use it from this machine over here to the right, or on this lathe. I mean, they're all over the place. Come on, follow me, we'll keep going. Talking about taking a step back into time, check this beauty out. Talk about old school. This is where it all started. We still use that same technology today. Keep on following me this way, we'll keep going. So here, as we take a look at this we got the part manipulator, and what we're able to do here is we're able to manipulate parts that we shouldn't be lifting by hand. You know, everywhere out there they've got some kind of manipulation. We actually have someone here that probably shouldn't be manipulating parts either, but we won't get into that. But here we have the part manipulator. When it's hooked up, we have the capacity to pick up anywhere from 0 to 90 pounds with this particular setup. We're actually doing our tabletops. We've done different, you know, tube steel, whatever this magnet can pick up. We'll put that and we'll index right there on top of the CNC machine. Come on, follow me this way. We'll go up front. Even from this view, you can see at least 3 right here, right in the middle, right in the heart of our assembly area. So what we're doing here, each one of them have a motor hooked up onto it, so that way we can continue with our assembly, whether we're reaming, we're chamfering, whatever it needs to put the arm together. Here, we're actually testing our motors. We put them in here, we set them up before they leave, just to ensure that the fit's good. But here, you've got a classic. Can't go wrong with that one. Come on this way. Literally, as we speak, they're assembling one right now, but they also have one right here set up as well. Anytime you need to give us a call, 1-800-837-2503. Give us a call, we'll take you through the shop, or we'll solve your problem for you. Thanks a lot for tuning in this week.